glad that you have included it. Uh, in our previous question, now we have established that mental health is an important aspect and what it is in general, right? In overall picture, what do you understand by mental health? Now, another important part is you need to understand the causes, that there is no single cause for it. Sometimes it could be biological, or sometimes biological cause combines with psychological as well as social context. So in general, like if I talk about subject specific terms, then there are only three possible causes, or the combination of these three causes: your biological, psychological, and social. So if we talk about like biological, so for instance, like genetics or brain chemistry, I'm sure that everybody knows genetics plays a very important role in individual's life, right? As well as brain chemistry, we all understand that your brain is wired, as well as there are certain organs which gives signal, and then your body performs likewise. So if the brain chemistry makes somebody very vulnerable, but in experience, why it is happening? Because this individual had certain kind of trauma in past, maybe certain kind of chronic stress due to a kind of maybe physical illness, or maybe somebody physical illness in the family, like your parents had some grave issue. And it is not like that only the father or mother or anybody in the family is suffering with the physical issue. No, the stress is also impacting the others in the family. Makes sense? So chronic stress can also be a cause. Discrimination, if it is happening in any form. Isolation, which is usually remain ignored.